Welcome to Ask and Learn.
Hello students. The three different approaches to the moral worth of animals are: first one, the clear line position. This approach asserts that humans are unique among living creatures and we alone have moral worth. According to this view, there is a clear line that separates humans from other animals, and this line is based on our ability to reason, communicate, and possess moral agency. This view reflects a belief in the exceptionalism of humans and a hierarchical conception of nature in which humans are placed at the top of pyramid. Second one is the equality position. This approach argues that human and many non-human animals have the same features of moral worth. And no meaningful distinctions can be drawn between them. According to this view, all living beings have intrinsic value and deserve equal moral consideration. This view reflects a more egalitarian and democratic conception of nature, in which all creatures are regarded as members of a shared community. Third one is the sliding scale position. This approach proposes that there is a spectrum of moral worth among animals where humans have a place at the top, followed by higher and then lower animals. According to this view, animals are granted moral worth based on their cognitive abilities, emotional capacities, and other relevant factors. This view reflects a more nuanced and flexible conception of nature in which different beings are valued differently based on their individual characteristics. Each of these approaches has strength and weakness. The clear line position that is criticized for being anthropocentric and failing to recognize the moral significance of non-human animals. The equality position that is criticized for failing to acknowledge the real differences that exist between humans and animals, such as our ability to reason and use the language. And the third one, sliding scale position, that is criticized for being arbitrary and subjective in its assessment of the moral worth of animals. So personally, I find the equality position to be the most sound. I believe that all living beings have intrinsic value and deserve equal moral consideration regardless of their cognitive or emotional capacities. While it is true that humans possess unique abilities, this does not justify treating other beings as inferior or denying them basic rights and protections. In my view, a more inclusive and compassionate approach to nature is necessary to promote justice and flourishing for all. I hope this video is useful for you. Thank you.